Hello, everyone. Welcome. Let's start today's session with an invocation to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Maha Guruji Mailing, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers. To my higher soul, to each and every one of you, to Rhonda Byrne, and to each and every person connected to this amazing, book reading book, people behind this book. So thank you, and thank you for all the money that shows up in my life every day. Thank you for this perfect health. Thank you to all my organs. Thank you to my mind, my brains, my body, my relationships. Thank you to the universe. Thank you to the resources. Thank you for the opportunities. Thank you for the healing that happens every day. Thank you for the abundance that I experience and I receive every day. Thank you for everything that I experience every day, all the time. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, we are on day 19 today. I hope you all are following the activities, So we did day 18, in which we did the magical to-do list. Today is day 19. It's a very small topic. I think we're going to finish it in next 5 minutes, but it's really very interesting. Magic footsteps. 100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depends on the labor of other men. Isn't it true? Living and dead. 100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depend on the labor of other men, living and dead. It means, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and I am still receiving. Albert Einstein, Nobel Prize winning physicist. So, what it means is that everything that we experience, even like walking on the road, the water that we drink, the electricity that we are using right now, from this phone to the everything, basically at this given point of second, this moment, what we are either ignoring or acknowledging or ignoring, is the result of the labor of other men, people who have worked so much to bring this together. For example, I you know don't you think it's so easy, even in the time of lockdown or social distancing, it's so easy for us to learn things through Zoom, through YouTube, and through the internet that we use, and the mobile phone, smartphones, and everything. So this is somebody's work, guys. This is somebody has worked. This is somebody's labor. So 100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depend on the labor of other men, living and dead both, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and I am still receiving. Albert Einstein, Nobel Prize winning physicist. With those words, Einstein gift gave us a gift equal to his scientific discoveries. He gave us one of the magical secrets to his success: gratitude every day. Einstein is the inspiration behind today's magical practice, and you are going to follow in his footsteps to bring success to your life. Today, like Einstein, you will say thank you 100 times, and you are going to do it by taking 100 magic footsteps. While it might seem unbelievable to you that taking footsteps can make a difference to your life, you will discover that it is one of the most powerful things that you do. God gave you a gift of 86,400 seconds today. Have you asked have you used 1 second to say thank you? William A. Ward, a writer. To take magic footsteps, you take one step and in your mind you say the magic words thank you. As your as your foot touches the ground, then again you say thank you, and then next step thank you, next step thank you. One foot thank you, next foot thank you, and continue saying the magic word with every footstep up until 100 times. The best thing about magic footstep is that you can take any number of magic footsteps anywhere and at any time. Through your house, from one room to another, walking to get lunch or coffee, taking the trash out, walking to a business meeting, on your way to catch a cab, train, bus, etc. You can take magic footsteps on your way to anything that is important to you, like exam, a date, a job, a trip to the dentist, doctor, hairdresser, ATM, client, to see your team play in a sports game, down corridor through airport terminals, paths, etc., etc., etc. I take magic footsteps around my home, from my bedroom to my bathroom, kitchen to bedroom, and outside to my car and the mailbox. Whenever I walk down the street or walk anywhere, I choose a point at my destination and I put gratitude in my footsteps all the way. If you take notice of how you're feeling before you begin, then you will notice a big difference in how you feel after you've taken the magic footstep. It doesn't matter if you can't get much of a feeling of gratitude while you are taking them. I promise you, you will still feel happier afterward. If you're feeling down, magic footstep will make you feel better, and even you are feeling great. Magic footsteps will lift your spirits even higher. To take the most effective magic footstep, take magic footsteps for about 90 seconds. This is how long it will take the average person to take 100 steps at a leisure pace. This practice is not about taking 100 steps exactly, but taking at least that number of steps. It will probably take that number of footsteps to make a difference in how you feel. Once you are clear on the approximate distance you can take on your 100 steps each time, once you are clear about the approximate distance you can take your 100 steps of gratitude at any time during the day, don't count the footsteps when you are doing the practice, because you will be counting instead of saying thank you, the magic word with each steps. When you have completed today's magical practice, you will have said the magic word thank you 100 times. How many days of your life have you said thank you 100 times? And Einstein did it every day. End of today's chapter. Tomorrow's chapter is heart magic. So before you go to bed tonight, you have to hold your magic rock in your hand and acknowledge the best thing that happened to you today. And tomorrow in the morning, you have to kind of identify 10 things. You be great. Now, I think now it's just be grateful about everything. Now we are learning. Now it's about us learning things to be grateful for and acknowledging them, So I think even before sleeping tonight, I'm going to finish this activity of saying thank you 100 times, and even tomorrow morning. And I hope you all will do it too. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to do 10 times right now. So thank you, 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 and thank you. Thank you all for joining. Thank you, Rhonda, for such amazing teachings. Thank you, Albert Einstein, for giving us this magic ingredient. And um, thank you, everyone, for joining. Thank you, universe. Thank you, the money that shows in my life every day. Thank you, my health. Thank you, my body. Thank you, my mind. Thank you, my attractive mind. Thank you, each and every experience that I'm experiencing right now. Thank you, my teacher, Grandmaster Chokoksui. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you and thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining. I already feel very great. I feel elated and must do it too. Thank you and have a very good night. Bye-bye.